freaking cold outside and freaking windy, and it's just nasty. If it's gonna be cold, I wish it would just snow, but no, it has to tease us with frigid rain and low temperatures. So right now I'm off to work. 4 hours. Went to school from 9:30 this morning until approximately 3:20. Wednesday, it's the last day this week that I work. And then on Friday, I get to go take a train to go see my boyfriend. But today went by really, really slowly, probably because I'm so excited about the train trip. I don't care if you're the czar of sodas, nothing compares to Dr. Pepper. Nothing compares to it. Oh my gosh, it's 3:40! That means that in a mere 48 hours, I am gonna be at the train station right now, waiting for my train. I'm so excited. So here I am at work, and I just realized that I have no idea who I work with tonight. I really don't want to work today. Will you take my shift, YouTube?